Hi guys, this is the first question of weekly contest 506. In this question, we have to find the Manhattan distance possible. We are given an string moves. In moves, we have five types of character: U, D, L, R underscore. U means move up by 1 unit. D means go down by 1 unit. L means move left by 1 unit, and R means move right by 1 unit. And underscore, it can be replaced by any of the four above character as you want, so that we can increase the distance. We are going to do this question in O and time complexity. So first we need to know what is Manhattan distance. So according to the formula, the distance between 2 points xi, yi and xj, yj is the absolute value of difference of x plus absolute value of difference of y. So here we have to find the distance from origin. So x first point is 0, 0, and the second point let's consider x, y. So the distance will be absolute value of x minus 0, which is x, and absolute value of y minus 0, which is y. So this will be our distance. Now initially what we are going to do, we are going to find the value with according to UDLR, and we just take the count of underscore. We are not going to fill the distance underscore. So after, as we have two types of value, first is fixed move and wildcard moves. So x and y is according to the fixed moves, we got x and y, and with wildcard moves we will got x1 comma y1. So with our fixed moves we got x plus y, the distance. Now we have to add wildcard moves. So consider there are 5 moves. So now you see, I have to increase the distance. How you are going to increase the distance? How you are going to increase this value? The answer is simple. I will add 5 either in x or y. So I will add 5 either in x or y. I or y, right? Or you can also write it as like this. It is increased by 2, it is increased by 3. So you see all are same, all are going to give the same value. I am going to solve it with some examples also. So you all are giving the same value. Can I write it like this now? So I can directly add 5 number of wildcard moves in our distance which we are get from fixed moves. Now consider x equal to -2 and y equal to 4. So initially distance equal to -2 plus 4. So it is 6. Now I have to increase that, add wildcard moves. So you will say, okay, if I add 5 in -2, then it will become 3. Initially it value is 6. If I add 5 in -2, you will say 5 minus 2 is 3, and 4 plus 3 is 7. But if I add 5 in 4, then it will 5 plus 4 9, and final value will be 11. So they are given different value. So understand this. -2 is getting because we have moved left position twice. So what is wildcard moves? Wildcard moves is number of position I can add UDLR out of this. So if from left I am getting negative value, so I can going to get 5 left values. I can add replace underscore with 5L. So in that condition also, if I will add in x, so it will be -2 -5 and 4, or it will be 11. Or what I can do, I can do -2 plus 4 means in upper direction 4 unit above the origin. So I can add 5u, 4 plus 5 equal to 11. So this is this. Basically what we are going to do, since Manhattan distance is not s square plus y square, it is just the sum of the absolute value of difference of x and y. So it are not going to create any problem if we add wildcard move at any direction, in either in in y direction or in x direction. We have to just increase the value. So what we are going to do, we are just going to add wildcard moves at the end of our value which we get from fixed moves. So as I said, we will have two position, horizontal position which will we get from up and down, and vertical position which will we get from left and right, and we will add wildcard moves in the end. So as I have explained, at any position x and y which we get from fixed moves, we can always pick the direction that increase absolute value of s or absolute value of y by 1. Each wildcard move increase the value by 1. Okay, you can pause the video to read more. So what we are going to do, we are going to take two position, vertical position and horizontal position, and we are going to increase or decrease the value according to up or down or left and right. You can take the opposite, you can take down plus and up as negative. It doesn't matter because at the end we are going to take absolute value. Count wildcards. We will count all the wildcards, and all the wildcards will increase the value plus 1, means each wildcard by plus 1. So if there are m wildcards, then total increase will be plus m. And we will return the absolute value of vertical position plus horizontal position plus wildcard moves. And we will get our solution in O of n time complexity and O of 1 space complexity. So we are going to code it. You can pause the video to read it if you want. And we are going to code our code. So int vertical position equal to 0, since we are starting from origin. Horizontal position equal to 0, again our origin for auto move moves. So if move equal to u means going upward direction, we will increase vertical position as if move we go downward, we will increase decrease vertical position as if moving left, increase horizontal position as if move right direction, decrease vertical position as we have left with underscore, so there will be count for wild card. as we have underscore. The wildcard will be increase. Okay, so now we have just written the absolute value. So return, we will return absolute value of vertical position plus we will return absolute value of horizontal position or plus we will increase while card. We will run our test case. What is it? Oh, sorry, I didn't initialize wildcard. Okay, we will run our test case. And yes, test case are passed, we will submit our solution. Yes, our solution are accepted. So this is the correct solution. Thanks to see the video till end. Let me know if you have any confusion.